welcome back. Episode 4 of The Boys Season 5 title King of Hell is one of the show's most chaotic and yearly relevant chapters yet. It blends horror, character drama, and sharp political commentary, all while pushing the story towards its endgame. The episode kicks off with Homelander taking things to a disturbing new level. He claims he has been visited by an angel and declares that he wants to become God. It's not just delusion, it's strategy. He asks Firecracker to help spread this idea as propaganda, especially building a religion around himself. Even a world full of soups, this is dangerous escalation and it immediately sets the tone for the episode. Meanwhile, Butcher and the team are forced on tracking down a powerful substance known as V1, which could change everything. Their search leads them to Fort Harmony, a decommissioned ward facility rumored to house both the virus they need and a mysterious deadly creature. But once they arrive, it becomes clear something is very wrong. The group begins turning on each other, small arguments escalate into full blown hostility. Trust breaks down fast, and tension that have been simmering all season suddenly explode. At first, it seems like stress or fear, but there's a deeper cause. This is where the episode pulls a surprising twist, echoing The Last of Us. Instead of a monster lurking in the shadow, the real threat is a fungus spreading through the facility, one that amplifies aggression and drives people to violence. It's not just physical horror but psychological, forcing the character to lose control of themselves. Frenchie is the only one unaffected thanks to his past drug use, which gives him an unexpected immunity. Realizing what's happening, he traces the source to a man named Quinn, whose altered condition is spreading this rage inducing effect. In a desperate move, Frenchie provokes Soldier Boy into killing Quinn, ending the influence and restoring the team's sanity. But the damage is already done. At the same time, Homelander and Soldier Boy arrive at a facility continuing their increasingly volatile partnership. The dynamic reaches a breaking point when Soldier Boy traps Homelander in a vault filled with enriched uranium, leaving him in agony. It's a rare moment of vulnerability for Homelander and a clear sign that even his allies are turning against him. Elsewhere, Annie reconnects with her estranged father, leading to one of the episode's more grounded and emotional storyline. Through their conversation, we learn why he left and see a different side of the world, one where ordinary people are living in fear of speaking out against Homelander's growing influence. That fear ties directly into the episode's larger theme, the weaponization of belief. By the end, Homelander's plan takes shape as a new religious movement is launched in his name, positioning him not just as hero but as a divine figure. It's unsettling but also feels uncomfortably close to reality, which is exactly where the boys thrives. What makes this episode stand out how it balances all of these elements. The horror of fungus-driven conflict, the emotional weight of Annie's story, and the larger political commentary all feed into one another. Nothing feels isolated, everything is building towards something bigger. As the season reaches its midpoint, King of Hell makes it clear that the stakes aren't just physical anymore. It's not just about who wins a fight, it's about control, influence, and how easily people can be manipulated when fear and belief collide. And if this episode is any indication, the second half of the season isn't going to hold back. Thank you for watching. Bye.